Paano ba mag-apply sa South Korea for factory worker?
Okay. 안녕하십니까? 오빠입니다. So now, let's talk about how to become a factory worker dito South Korea. Yes. Una, ang application ng factory worker dito South Korea is government to government. So meaning, sa government agency ka lang mag-apply, no? Sa Department of Migrant Worker o DMW lang po pwede mag-apply. Opo. Wala pong private agency, no? Wala pong, ulitin ko po wala pong private agency. So, para sa mga karagdagang informasyon, no? You can check the website of DMW at i-follow nyo na rin ang FB account ng DMW for more detailed information at sa mga some announcement about EPS topic. Okay?